the women that I work with are moms that have given up their whole lives
Mm.
to help their children accomplish whatever it is that they want to accomplish. They
Yeah,
are giving up their weekends for a decade or more,
yeah,
just to
yeah,
see their child succeed. And when a child gets to senior night, it's not just that athlete, it's been the whole family sacrificing for them and the whole family committing to them, like if
mhm.
they have to be at a 2 a day early practice, like someone has to get them there if they can't drive. So, this was just so important to me because I was like, how can I provide some sort of resource to the women who even make it possible for me to have a business? And I think you are just so elegant, Carrie. I mean, I
Aw,
watch you and
thank you.
I think you do everything with elegance. And that's kind of someday when Asher has his senior night, I want to be elegant on his senior night.
Aw.
Um, but just in terms of resources, like how can people get in contact with you if this speaks to their heart and they say, you know what, I think maybe I would like to talk to Carrie and maybe, discuss my personal style or reach out to you. How can we do that?
Yeah, so you can find me on social media at Storyteller Stylist. So storyteller and then stylist. Um, so that's the name of my company. And also my website is storytellerstylist.com. And and I'd be happy to put Crystal to put some style boards together. Um, for moms, because I think too, it is okay, and that is too, I have two small kids. They're still pretty young, but um, we do. That's what moms do. I mean, we put everyone else first. We put our kids first, and we put our spouse or, significant other first. And so we tend to like put ourselves, on the back burner. And it is okay. I mean, it is okay to want to look and feel great and feel like yourself again, because a lot of times we lose sight of that after we have kids. And it's okay to want that for yourself and not feel guilty about it. So yeah, I'd be happy to put some style boards together, some examples.
I really appreciate your time. And I know that women are just going to be so blessed, because how often do we talk about this?
I
Like
know.
everything you said was so true about putting everybody else before us. And I think we love that. But
Yeah.
then to know that, you know what, this is an opportunity where we can celebrate all of you, and I just want all the moms out there who are listening right now just to know, like, I appreciate you so much. I see you. I see all that you've given up for your kids and all that you're doing. And I know that if you need a resource, just to help you feel like the beautiful person that you are, I can't recommend Carrie highly enough. She's just a wonderful person. And I can't wait. I can't wait to see what we do next. I mean, I think that the style boards are a wonderful idea and just a great resource.
Yeah,
So,
absolutely. Thank you for having me. I mean, this was great. It's my pleasure. I love doing this. It's my passion. And every woman that I can help in this way and just, see the change and just the smile on their face. Oh, that's enough to put a smile on my face every day.